This is some crazy news in the SEO and AI world. The court dismissed Google's lawsuit against SerpApi. If you remember, a few months back, SerpApi was sued by Google because they scraped their search results. Very interesting. Google is scraping the whole world, but then when somebody scrapes them, they try to sue. Crazy, right? So luckily for SerpApi, and I think even for ChatGPT and some other AI engines, the court said case dismissed. There's no case here. Therefore, SerpApi can keep on, legally scraping Google now because there's no law to stop them, right? So this is a crazy news for the AI world, because when ChatGPT is giving you an answer, it will use some kind of a search engine to get the most up-to-date results. And it's been using Bing for some time, and then it's been using some other search engines. But now, if let's say the court gave a go-ahead for SerpApi to just keep on scraping, it means that ChatGPT can switch to like the best search results provider, which is Google, without having anything to do with Google. This is crazy news. I'm not sure how this will turn out. I'm pretty sure Google will likely contest this, and they will not, just let it die as it is. So pretty interesting evolution. I was not expecting this, to be honest. I was expecting some kind of a limits of what SerpApi can do, and other scrapers. There's so many scrapers in the world that scrape Google and search results. But this is gonna be interesting. Maybe Google will introduce their own API for search results. Therefore, there's gonna be no need for SerpApi. Or who knows? Who knows? I'm not sure whether that is possible. SerpApi does give a lot of, as you can see here, there's lots of interesting data sets that SerpApi reveals. But yeah, looking forward to see what comes out of this. But so far, it's great for us, builders. It's great for us SEOs because we can now build confidently with some kind of a future-proof approach, right? We can build systems based on SerpApi or other, DataForSEO is doing the same, and so on. So let's see what happens. But let me know what you think. I think this is kind of crazy, because now all of these tools can just scrape Google with no limits, and so far there's no law to stop it.